When planning a renovation, homeowners automatically assume that they're restricted by the plumbing currently in place in the home. But with today's plumbing technology, that's no longer the case. And we've got some great ideas for how you can put in some new water features in your home.
So let's talk about some dirty business here. Let's talk about the garage. You know, like you're coming in, you're working on cars, and then all of a sudden,
or maybe your garden.
You know, the wife's like, why are you leaving stains everywhere?
Why are you a mess?
Why am I a mess? There's so many different things that's great about having a sink in the garage, but the problem is that it's a concrete pad. And we've all talked about this.
Right.
A concrete pad means you got to jackhammer it, means a huge expense. So why not turn to Saniflo's products for a solution?
So we're talking about the Saniswift. And what I love about it, it's a gray water drain pump. And what it does is it collects your gray water, so from your utility sink, even maybe a dog washing station, right? And what it does, when the water hits a certain holding level, it automatically triggers it to drain out the water through a small discharge pipe that's hooked into your home's existing plumbing. And traditional plumbing usually relies on basically gravity alone to move things. But this is a 0.3 horsepower pump. And what it can do, it can move the water either up to 14 feet vertically,
that's a lot,
or 140 feet horizontally. You can even hook a dishwasher up to this. Did you know that? And because it's a pre-assembled compact unit with built-in check valves, you can simply tuck it into cabinetry and hide it out of the way. And at 44 decibels, it's really quiet as well.
Speaking of dishwashers in the basement, I love to have a dishwasher in the bar area or the little kitchenette downstairs.
So for a basement, for a kitchenette, a wet bar, you're talking a little more heavy duty. So you're going to be handling things like hot water, even solids up to 3/8 of an inch. You're going to use the Sanivite. And this is a little bit of just a touch heavier duty, designed for those more functional spaces where you're doing everyday life in. And what I love about this, the horsepower is just a little stronger.
More horsepower.
And it can put the water 16 feet vertically or 150 feet horizontally, right? So depending on the needs of the space you're renovating, like you said, you don't have to worry about jackhammering into your concrete. You can still have water brought to the space.
And the other thing that's really important to me is that you're not restricted to where you put the sink.
Yes.
So if I'm putting it in my garage, I don't necessarily want it right against the house. Maybe I want it on the other side of the garage so I have nice room to park my car. So I hate being restricted, and I find the Saniflo products make it so that they can go anywhere. Like I can put it at the other end of the shop. I can put it at the other end of the basement, and I'm not worried about that because they have horsepower.
How about in the mudroom? Let's put the dog wash station there and where we can wash off those muddy boots. And that's what I love about products like Saniflo. For more information like this, visit marcandmandy.com.